Ke Kongres kabadan hakaliang persya kelarai banlit mudui syaka ïingkashari. Persya ya kajinglet iasoh ki laingut ki MLA syaka National People's Party haba pentip ru basyen kan sashimrai la kandang beteng ne banyatreilang bat ke NPP ha Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Haba keren cikilat patai kubor hadin kejingalang jongka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Presiden ke Kongres ba Vincent H. Pala ula pentip baka parti kelai selok bat ki start an bat kelanang penkrea ikikot ki slaban mudui ya ke mukadma. Upentip baka parti kelaya selok bat ki start an ba kumnu kintinju ya ka hukum jong ulampang ga ying dor bar thawan ka ba ajing itu ya ka jingla iasoh ki laingut na pedeng ki sangut ki MLA ka parti Dr. Celestine Lingdo na umsning Charles Marngar na mauhati bat Gabriel Walang na nongstan syaka NPP haga khatkhandai tarip nailar. Uni Presiden ke Kongres ula pentip ru bahagani ka jingyalang ki babun ni kinongilam ka parti kila pen pawi ka jingdan kam baka parti kan mino na ka executive committee bayalam na ka NPP ha KHADC bat kala ha kinongilam ka parti bakin shimraishan halor kani ka kam laban kedo hang ni baka Kongres minta kadan setang arngut ki MDC ha KHADC kata setang uba Ronnie V Lingdo ubadiru u MLA basa amarway na milim bat uba pencingai lang NCM na maukar pentorum kra haka ying dorbar balai phongut kidkhot hadin ka jinglet iasoh no uba Charles Marngar baru uba Gabriel Walang syaka NPP uba pencingai lang ubat mentaya kasyuki Deputy Chief Executive Member haka Executive Committee bayalam da uba penyat sing si
enlighten our workers that also we may go for a case against all this. We are consulting the lawyers on these issues. We'll see what are the pros and cons which can benefit the party as well as the people as a large. Because I think this is too much for the BJP and NPP. How they have taken our people unnecessarily. For example, this is happening in Jharkhand. If you see how the BJP is trying to forge the numbers, it happened in Himachal. They tried even in Karnataka. It happened in Maharashtra. It happened in many areas where the Congress was ruling. The target of the BJP is to see that the Congress is wiped out of the country. The same voice of the NPP here also, Meghalaya Congress Bharat, the same voice. But this voice is not only the NPP, this voice has been tutored by the BJP. The people of Meghalaya should know that the BJP and the NPP, the relationship has become stronger and stronger. With that in mind, we had contributed in the District Council to Panchanganya and his team. We worked together in the District Council because at that time, our intention was that since the 6th schedule will be amended and it was introduced in the Rajya Sabha, sent to the parliamentary committee, gave a recommendation. We thought that we should also, as a party which has given the 6th schedule to the people of Meghalaya, we should have a say in that. So that say we have given our views to the members in this council. But very unreliable partner NPP has taken away our people, trying to destroy us. This is the misleading views and ideas and intention is being dominated by the ideas of the BJP. That's why most of people today, they thought that we should take a decision regarding our tie-up with the NPP in the council. Will we discuss this? Because that cannot be taken by the party alone. The members of the council has to take a decision because whenever we are working with any party, it is the leader of the house to take a decision. The party can only advise them or can only give them a direction. But major of the things, the leader of the house will take a decision.